What if I told you that you could earn $9.75 per week just by replying to Facebook comments from your phone or laptop? I'm serious. If you've been looking for a real online job that doesn't require special skills, then pay close attention, because in this video, I'm going to give you a complete tutorial on how to make money posting comments on Facebook, even if you've never made a single dollar online. Stick around till the end, because not only will I show you how to make money on Facebook comments, but I'll also give you access to a step-by-step training platform and a free downloadable guide. Now let's understand why this even exists. Why would someone pay you just to reply to Facebook comments? Well, every business, whether small or large, is now using Facebook to promote their products or services. And when people see an ad or a post, they start commenting, asking questions, sharing opinions, or just tagging their friends. That's hundreds, sometimes thousands, of comments per post. Most business owners don't have the time to reply to everyone. But ignoring comments is losing potential customers. And that's where you come in. Businesses are now hiring remote workers who know how to make money posting comments on Facebook, so they can focus on running their business while someone else handles their engagement. They want real humans, not bots. Friendly, helpful, professional responses that build trust and boost sales. This job isn't about spamming or selling. It's about replying to comments in a way that builds a relationship. And it pays well. Some people are making $500, $700, even $9.75 per week. Let me break it down. If you want to learn how to make money on Facebook comments, here's what the job usually includes. Monitoring comment sections of business pages. Replying to customer questions like, "Is this in stock?" or "Where can I buy it?" Sending friendly DMs when people ask for more info. Thanking users for engagement, tagging admins if needed. That's literally it. If you've ever left a comment on Facebook before, you already have the skills. This is one of the most beginner-friendly ways how to make money posting comments on Facebook. And the best part is, you can do it from anywhere in the world, on your own schedule. Now the important part, how to get started. Because knowing how to make money on Facebook comments is one thing. But actually landing jobs, that's where most people get stuck. There's a platform called Paying Social Media Jobs that shows you exactly how to make money posting comments on Facebook. Step by step. You'll learn how to set up your Facebook profile to look professional, where to find comment job listings, what to say when replying to customers, and how to apply to high-paying gigs. Inside the training, they walk you through everything. No fluff, no complicated tech. You just follow along, and by the end, you'll have the confidence to start applying for real jobs. This is perfect for stay-at-home moms and dads, college students, part-time workers, or anyone tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Click the link in the description to get lifetime access for just $17, a one-time fee, not monthly. Normally it's $27, so you're saving money just for taking action today. Apply link provided on the description. Check it and apply now. Let me pause for a second and speak from the heart. I know some of you have probably tried different online jobs before and been burned. I've been there too. But if you want to change your situation, start small. Start with something real. Something like this. Learning how to make money on Facebook comments might sound too easy to be true. But the truth is, simple jobs are often the most effective. You don't need to build a website, run ads, or create YouTube videos. You just need to reply to comments and be consistent. This could be your first step into the world of online income. And once you get a taste of success, you'll never want to go back. So, if you're ready to finally take control, learn how to make money posting comments on Facebook, and get paid weekly, now is the time to start. Before we wrap up, I've got a bonus for you. If you're still not sure whether this is right for you, I've linked a free PDF guide below that explains how to make money on Facebook comments step by step. It includes job examples, insider tips, and the mindset you need to get results. Download it now, link given on the description. It's 100% free. No email opt-in, no catch. Now you know how it works. You've seen that how to make money posting comments on Facebook is not just possible. It's happening right now for thousands of people. So the only question is, will you be one of them? Click the link in the description to get started. Don't forget your free PDF guide as well. Like this video, share it with a friend who needs a work from home job, and subscribe for more tutorials on how to make money online. Drop your questions in the comments. I reply to everyone, just like the jobs you'll be doing soon.